Hello, I am Eknath. Today I am going to introduce the wonderful world of organic chemistry. In this organic chemistry, you are going to learn coping with the free organic anxiety, defining organic chemistry, and third one, breaking down the mysteries of carbon. When subjects comes like organic chemistry, most of the people have thought organic chemistry is difficult subject, but in this chapter I am going to introduce organic chemistry where I hope you can decide to forget about the negative comments you have heard about the organic chemistry. Second hands with organic chemistry. So organic chemistry is very important and valuable subject for someone. It's even highly enjoyable subject. Most of the people when first time I approaching to the organic chemistry, it's look like to be intimidating. See, you can most of the people are fearing about dog and some of the students or the people are fearing about the organic chemistry means intimidating as like to be the having frightening and threatening effect of organic chemistry. No doubt the material appears tense when you open the book and saw the chemical structure always. So structure you have to memorize. I admit that organic chemistry is little frightening subject. To learn organic chemistry, it's learn about the life itself. Means our body or living organism is composed of two organic molecules. You can take the examples. Organic molecules works in our body. Take the example, our brain requires glucose to work. Means fueling to the your brain, you can require the glucose. Also helping your neurons to fire. Means they can work with the help of organic molecules. And third one, getting the muscles in your mouth to clench open and shut. Means that's required the organic molecules. That organic chemistry, organic molecules works in your body, so that can be function properly and which will be depend on the organic compounds or the organic molecules. In fact, when we are discussing about the human being, so our body is entirely made up of the organic molecule, all the soft part anyway, from our muscles, hair and organs. We can take the examples where organic molecules can also range in size from their very tiny like carbon dioxide, you exhales that consist of the only 3 atoms. Mean you are inhaling the oxygen and exhale out the CO2 from your body, and that CO2 it is consist of 3 atoms, 1 carbon and 2 oxygen. Another, in our body there are various cells, and that cells contain nucleus, and that nucleus contain chromosomes, and that chromosome contain the DNA, and that DNA molecules or protein molecule highly large, so which act as a molecular instructions manual, and it is made up of the millions of atoms. So next we are going to learn what are organic molecule exactly, means defining organic chemistry. The answer lies in single precious atom, carbon. All organic molecules contain carbon. You very well known about the chemistry or organic chemistry. So organic molecules contain the carbon. To study the organic chemistry, it is studied to the molecule made up of from the carbon. And any reactions, take the see what kind of the reaction undergoes in organic chemistry and how we can put together them. Okay, so we can take the example of organic molecule, carbohydrate, fats, proteins. These are the example of the organic molecules. We can take the principle, we can learn about the principle. When principles are known, that knowledge can put the good uses. When people or student having the good knowledge of organic chemistry, so they can prepare or they can make the better drugs for use. Then also we can prepare the plastics, better materials to make smaller and faster computer chips. We are using mobile phones and computer, that computer having the computer chips which is also made up of the from organic molecules. Also better paint, dyes, coating, explosive and polymers, that is all things are prepared or made up from the organic molecules. Means you can see the importance of chemistry as well as the value of chemistry in your daily life. So what makes carbon as special? What makes carbon as special means we are learning the breaking down the mysteries of carbon. What are the mysteries of carbon? In short, yes, carbon is very special and its useful lies in its versatility. Carbon has capability of forming four bond. You can see the structure, and that structure you are having the four bond to the carbon. Carbon bond represent the perfect trade of between the stability and reactivity. You can see that that carbon can represent the perfect trade of between stability and reactivity. Carbon neither too strong nor too weak. Most of the chemists are refer Goldilocks principle. What is Goldilocks principle? Goldilocks principle is that carbon is neither too hot nor too cold. If carbon bond is very strong, so carbon would be unreactive, and if carbon is unreactive, so useless to organism, that is not beneficial to organism or living thing. If they were too weak, two would be unstable, means carbon will be unstable. So carbon is mysterious molecule or the organic compound, making them fit for being to the backbone of our life. This is all about introductions of organic chemistry. Thank you for listening.